The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is an enduring symbol of American muscle car heritage. Vanguard Motor Sales has taken this classic beauty and given it a new lease on life, enhancing it with modern high-performance components while retaining its iconic charm. This build represents the perfect fusion of vintage elegance and contemporary engineering excellence. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a 454 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with an Edelbrock Performer RPM intake manifold, a Holley 4150-700 CFM 4-barrel carburetor, and an electric choke. Power is sent to the rear tires through a Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission and a 12-bolt rear end with 3.73 to 1 gears and Posey traction. Take a look at the glossy black exterior paint, 15-inch Kragar wheels with BF Goodrich radial TA tires, chin and rear spoilers, chrome bumpers, and the beautifully polished trim, power steering and power disc brakes up front, and power drum brakes in the rear. The car features an independent front suspension and a leaf spring rear suspension, ensuring that it handles with precision and stability. The new dual exhaust system with glass pack style mufflers. Inside, this is 69 is sporting a red houndstooth interior, black carpeting, front bucket seating, rear bench seating, front and rear seat belts, tilt column, center console, aftermarket radio, rally pack of gauges on center console, Hurst shifter, spare tire, and ample room in the trunk for your car show essentials.